2026. So, moderator, can you continue?
So, Adam, today I would like to interview you about being a leader. So, what do you think? What does being a leader mean?
So, what does the leader mean to me? For me, as a leader in one of the club in UiTM, so I will tell you the detail about this position. So I am the leader from the UDeserve Melaka. So the UDeserve have a club to all the OKU students. So the people who have disability. So I am the leader for 3 years. So right now I'm the last semester, and for me, being the leader does mean so much to me because I can know every team members' personality, condition, emotional, and I can get along with them. And for me, being a leader also can motivate me to improve myself, so I can make the decision better for any solution, for any matter, or sometimes argument.
Can you share me the moment you first saw yourself as a leader?
So the first moment I had being a leader. So
yes. It's like the moment you feel when you become a leader for the first time.
for me, for the first time, I get the responsible as a leader for the UDeserve club for the Melaka department. I think I have taken the big opportunity, the big responsible to help the disability student like you said, Zahid. So you also is the disability student, like me, right? So I am always motivated to help each disability student to improve their self, to become the best of their self, and provide a good positive trait to the society. So this means so much. I feel delight, I feel happy. So I hope best leader also can continue my legacy.
So that's what you hope for the next generation of leader.
So my hope for the next generation, maybe you three for the next, I think. So I hope for the next leader for the UDeserve club, I want he take the responsible and do the responsible with cautious and how can I say, equal. So this means that he treat all the disability students the same. He provide the opportunity to them to improve themselves, to express their feeling. Sometimes the disability students, they have the problem, but they cannot share with anybody because they feel that if they share with someone, there's someone will just them. So I think the leader need to get along with the team members and know more and make them happy to express their feeling, whether it's a problem or anything fun or adjustment, anything about it.
You want the leader become friendly with others.
Yes.
Easier to contact.
Yeah, easier to contact, friendly, and can tolerate with team members.
How do you handle the pressure when you become a leader?
So the pressure I have facing throughout this year, become the leader. So for me, like become the leader is not hard. It's not easy. Sorry, because I think the responsibility is very big. It's very tough to me to handle. But for me, in my opinion, being a leader also can enhance my confidence to speak to the public and enhance my connection with the good people, great people. Then, for example, lecturer, Dato, Dating, YB. So, being a leader, you can meet them easily because they will ask you something when they want to do a program like CSR program. So CSR program is corporate social responsibility. So CSR program also mean to target the disability student to involve in charity or anything. So this kind of opportunity I really like, and I hope maybe I can get this opportunity in the next phase.
You kind of want to make yourself better lah.
Yes, I want to make myself better, and all surrounding in my circle better also.
What does challenge? What's the challenge do you face when you began?
So the challenge I face. So the first challenge or issue that I face, of course, the team members feel that I
to contribute.
no, not that contribute. I think the team member feel that I misjudge them, or okay, not misjudge, mistreat them. So in this case, maybe I treat this one better than the other ones. So they think that the treatment is not equal.
Oh, I see.
So, but actually I treat all members the same. Maybe because you are close to me, so I friendly meet you. But the other one I doesn't meet always because maybe I do not too close with them. So that's the difference between the both side. But usually they of course feel emotional.
So how do you motivate the people that you lead?
So how can I motivate or support them, right? Of course, the first thing, if they have any opportunity like program or for example, we know that we get the allowance from the KPT. So Kementerian Pelajaran Tinggi. So KPT have given the disability student allowance each semester. So this allowance have a procedure or protocol that we need to do. So of course, as I am the leader, I will lead them with the right document, right procedure to follow. So when they do that, of course, they will send the application to the right website and get the money, like all of the members. So they have the opportunity to get the same benefit, and at the same time, when they attend the activities or program that I attend, they will become close to everybody, close to the society, and become more good computer-oriented for the opportunity. So I hope you will gain the best in this attempt.
Thank you.
A minute.